Hi there, this is Technology Man's World, and today I will tell you that how to use Microsoft Chat. Now, this has been a very strange thing for some people because people think that what is the need of chat because you can chat in Microsoft Teams just like that. So, before we jump into this, let's clear the conclusion of what is the difference between Microsoft Teams chat and the normal chat. So, let's get into it. So the first thing is that you need to install Microsoft Teams in your desktop. It's not going to happen automatically. Meanwhile, chat is automatically installed on your desktop as soon as you download Windows 11. If you don't know how to get Windows 11, click my link in the description below. You will get to know it. The second thing is, in the Microsoft Teams chat, you need to use a work or school account. If you don't have that, you might not get the features of having it. So let's say you want to chat with your friends, with your family, you won't be able to do it. So that's why you need Microsoft Chat. And the third reason is chat gives you notification every time. Like here you can see it's a one thing. That might not seem the most important thing to you, but for me it's actually quite important. And also Microsoft Chat has something that Teams has, but Microsoft Chat doesn't have. So let me also tell you what Teams has and Microsoft Chat doesn't have. So all the advanced features while you get to do during a meeting in Microsoft Teams, you can't do that all in chat. You can't get access to some, but not all of them. And the second thing is you can't create teams and chat like that. So that is the only differences. Otherwise, it's like a WhatsApp type thing where you can basically chat, you can have a call, and all that. So Microsoft have been doing this on a long time basis, and they finally come on a conclusion that they will install it on Windows 11. So this is basically like a WhatsApp thing with chat with family members. And the also thing is you can sync your contacts. So let's say you have some contacts on your mobile, you click on sync contacts, boom, it comes automatically on your device. So that's really good. So without doing more waffling, let's get into it. Okay, so to use Microsoft Chat, you have to just hover in your taskbar, you'll get it. Okay, so to use Microsoft Chat, just hover down, click on the chat button. It's automatically creating a taskbar. You don't need to do anything, just click on it. And here you see. So, I've been contacting a person and let's just pretend, okay, it's me. I've created another account, but let's just pretend it's my friend. And his name is Technology Man's World, okay? Now, I have written him something. I've written hi. Now you will see that you will get a big screen over here. And here you can see you can chat with him. It's like a WhatsApp thing. You chat with your members. You can also send their contacts from your mobile, from your phone, of course. And yeah, he written hello there. I've written hi. I'm writing what are you doing? Okay, I have written him. Let's wait for a response and let's see. Now you can see that he's written I am free, and now you can see there's a little thing here. Oh, he's typing something. So it means that he's typing something, okay? So whenever someone types something, you will get this thing. That is a really cool feature by Microsoft in my opinion. So let him type that and that's just it. Okay, this is what are you doing? So we have a meet. So let's tell what are we doing. Okay, so you can see I've written it, and now let's do a meet. So to do a meet, what you have to do is you have to click on the chat button and just simple meet. Now also you have this chat thing. Now what is this for? So you can say you can have a new chat here. So if you're for a new member, you can see here. Okay, so it's like that, and you can also like search for members. So let's say like you have a lot of members, right? I have only one member. We leave it anyways, okay? I'm gonna add more members. So if you have like a loads of members, you can just search in the name easily. It's just scrolling down. So that's the thing. Now, to have a meet, in order to have a meet, what you have to do is that you have to just click on the meet button and just join, just like that. It's like basically like a video call in WhatsApp, where you can do it in like Teams. Like here you can see you get the Teams thing. You do it. You can raise your hand. You can share your screen. So what I'll do is that now I'll invite him. Okay, so let's invite him. Okay, I'm gonna invite him. Okay, now I'm calling him. So hopefully he responds to me. So he was unmuted and I muted him. So here you can see we two are here, and now I'm gonna tell him something. Okay, so I'm gonna tell you about my new Windows 11 thing. So let me show you. Okay, now we're gonna show him my Windows 11. Okay, here you go. You can see your Windows 11. And here I've got my new Windows 11. You see the taskbar in the middle. The new image, Android apps. It's cool, isn't it? You can have WhatsApp, Instagram in your computer. So pretty cool stuff right there. And also, let me show you something here. So here you can see you can split two screens as well. How cool is that? Isn't it? So there are a lot of new features here. So I think that is the new features you gotta look into. It looks pretty cool, doesn't it? Don't unmute your mic, just write in the chat. Okay, so there are some two messages here, and you can see he's chatting with me. How did you got it? Tell me. Okay, so basically I've got to tell him that how I got this. So let's send a link. Okay, so I'm gonna send you a link and I'm gonna tell you how I got it. Okay, so yeah, I'm gonna send you the link. Okay, then let's hang up. I'm gonna send you the link. Enjoy. Okay, bye. Okay, so we got the call with him. Very short me to be honest, but actually he got something careful out of it. He now can know how to get Windows 11. So it's fair enough. And now we'll just send the link. Okay, that's easy as that. So, yep, spam. And here you can see I've sent him a link, and let's see what he responds. Now here you can see it's okay, I'll view it. So it's a new feature here. So we'll just quickly get a notification, exactly what I was talking about. And now we'll just send him a quick reply. Okay, bang. And we send it. So this is how you basically do your chat. And it's pretty much like WhatsApp, but it's pretty much like if you get it on your desktop. So it's a pretty cool feature by Microsoft in my opinion. Yeah, there's not that much of a difference between chat on Microsoft Teams and the normal chat build itself, but I think it's a cool feature by Microsoft, and hopefully some more features to come. But that is all it's gonna be. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. If you did, don't forget to like and also subscribe to the channel and turn on the bell icon so that you don't miss any of the new videos. And also thanks for the support. We are now nearly to 100 subscribers right now at 81, 82 subs, so we are pretty close. So thank you for the support. Let's get it to 100 subscribers by the end of November. It's very hard, but we have been through a long ride. So I'll see you in a bit. Till then, bye bye.